And this is my December Curl Kit. It just came, so let's see what's in here. There it is right there. Cream of nature. Well, at least it's a whole product line this time. I have this right here. The Cummings family. Who is this? Dino, Heather, Aiden, and Cameron. Oh, okay, I think this is the owner, the Curl Kit owner. They have this in there this month. Curl Life, Holiday Glam, Defining Moments in Hair. Getting that glam up look. They got the Cream of Nature. It says it's new. Okay, so okay. Holiday Glam. Okay, so all this is supposed to be new. How new? I don't know. It says new. I don't know how long it's been out, but it has the steps. Let's see. 1, the Plex Breakage Defense. Step 1, Bond Mender Pre-Treatment with Argan Oil. Let's see, we have step 2, which is the Restoring Shampoo. It says moisturizes and nourishes, removes impurities and buildup with castor oil and argan oil. Then we have step 3, the Restoring Conditioner, moisturizes and improves appearance of dry, damaged strands with castor oil and argan oil. This argan oil for natural hair, hydrating, curl, detangler, leave-in conditioner.